This is a standard crunch. Make sure you keep your head back, pretend you have an orange between your chin and your chest, and keep your elbows back. About halfway done, keep it up. Got about 10 seconds left. Great work. This is a standard crunch.